In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize pages in HubSpot. We'll walk through getting into your account, creating a new page from a template, and setting the key details that make your page look professional and perform well. Start by heading to HubSpot in your browser and signing in. Make sure you're using the correct account with the right permissions for website content. If you work across multiple accounts or environments, double check the workspace to avoid creating pages in the wrong place. Once you're in, navigate to the main menu and open the content section. From there, choose website pages. This is your hub for building and managing site pages like home, about, and product pages. It's also where you can revisit and edit any pages you've already created. Click Create to start a fresh page. You'll be prompted to choose a template. Templates define the structure and modules available on your page, so pick one that matches your goal, whether that's a simple information page or a more visual layout. You can filter by theme, preview how templates look, and consider how much flexibility you'll want when customizing. When you find the layout you like, select the template. This opens the page editor. You can customize content later with drag and drop modules, but first it's smart to set up your page settings so everything is organized and search friendly. Open the settings panel. Begin by updating the page name. This is your internal name, visible inside your account. Use a clear naming convention so teammates can recognize the purpose at a glance. For example, Home V2, Spring Campaign, or Product Pricing Overview. Next, enter the page title. This is the title that appears in the browser tab and in search results. Keep it concise, descriptive, and aligned with your primary keyword. Aim for around 50 to 60 characters and make sure it clearly communicates the page's value to visitors. Choose the page language to ensure proper localization and SEO. Setting the correct language helps with hreflang signals and keeps multi-language content organized. Enable a featured image. This image is often used for social sharing previews and can appear in search snippets. Select a high-quality, on-brand image, add descriptive alt text, and keep the file size optimized for fast loading. Finally, open the advanced section if you need to add additional code snippets. This is where you might place analytics tags or verification codes. Only paste trusted code, avoid duplicating scripts that are already installed globally, and never include any secrets. With these settings in place, you're ready to refine the content in the editor, preview your work across devices, and move forward confidently. That's how to create and customize pages in HubSpot with a strong foundation.